In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own green screen video on CapCut completely free using CapCut Desktop. And the best part is, you can do this in two different ways. First, you can remove an existing green screen and replace it with any background you want. Or second, you can turn a normal video into a green screen asset that you can reuse in future edits. No CapCut Pro needed. So if you want to level up your edits fast, make sure to watch until the end. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the easiest method, which is removing a green screen using Chroma Key. This is the method you'll use if you already recorded your subject in front of a green backdrop, and now you want to swap that background out with an image or video. To start, open CapCut Desktop and click Import. Then bring in both files you need, your green screen clip and the background you want to place behind it. That background can be a photo, a video, or even another creative scene depending on your project. Next, drag your background media down onto the main video track, which is usually track 1. Then drag your green screen footage directly above it on track 2. This layering matters because whatever is on the top track will sit in front of the background, underneath it. Now click on the green screen clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. On the right side of the screen, open the Video tab and then look for Remove BG. This is where CapCut gives you the tools to isolate your subject and remove the green backdrop. Once you're in that section, enable Chroma Key. After that, click the color picker or eyedropper icon, then click directly on the green area in your video preview. CapCut will sample that color and remove it from the clip. If the green doesn't disappear perfectly on the first try, don't worry. That's totally normal. Use the strength slider to increase the removal until the green background is fully gone. If you push it too far, you may start affecting your subject, so go slowly and find the sweet spot. Then adjust the shadow slider if needed. This helps clean up any remaining green spill or glow around the edges of your subject, especially around hair, clothing, or areas with light reflections. A small adjustment here can make a huge difference in making the effect look clean and professional. Take a moment to preview the clip. Scrub through the timeline and make sure the subject looks natural against the new background. If anything looks rough around the edges, go back and fine-tune the strength and shadow settings until it looks right. Now let's move on to the second method, which is turning a normal video into a green screen asset. This is super useful if you want to isolate a person, object, or motion from a regular video and save it as something you can reuse in future edits. To do this, drag your standard video onto the timeline first. Then go to the right panel again, open Video, and click Remove BG. From here, you can use custom removal or Chroma Key depending on your clip and what CapCut gives you in your version. Keep in mind that auto removal is not always free, so if you want to stay on the free path, use the manual tools and the Chroma Key workflow when possible. Once your subject is isolated, go to the Stickers menu on the top left and add a solid green rectangle. Place that green shape underneath your subject on a lower track so it acts like a green background behind them. You may need to stretch the green layer so it matches the full duration of your video. Just drag the edge of the layer across the timeline until it covers the same length as your subject clip. That way, the green screen effect stays consistent from start to finish. After both layers are lined up, select both tracks, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This locks the subject together with the green background so it behaves like a single reusable green screen asset. Now, you can use that compound clip in other projects, or export it and reuse it later whenever you need a cutout-style green screen clip. This is especially helpful for intros, reaction videos, overlays, and content where you want a person or object separated from the original background. So that's the full process. If you already have green screen footage, use Chroma Key to remove the background. If you want to create your own green screen asset from a normal video, isolate your subject, add a green layer behind it, and combine the layers into a compound clip. CapCut makes this process surprisingly simple once you know where to click, and now you can create cleaner, more professional edits without paying for Pro. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.